Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Haas. Today I'm making a very traditional Persian dish called zeresh pulao with chicken. You may ask, what is zeresh? Zeresh is a fruit, is red in color and very sour in taste. Zeresh has lots of vitamin C. It is antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and is antioxidant. We mix zeresh with pulao to enhance the flavor of rice. The chicken, there are several different methods of cooking chicken, but my method is roasting it in the oven. After it's roasted, transfer it to a tomato sauce, and at the end combine all rice, zeresh, and chicken together. It is very delicious. I'm sure you're gonna like it. If you follow my recipe and make this dish, you're gonna be amazed how flavorful is this dish. Thank you very much for watching. Appreciate your support. Let's get cooking.
Please check the description for ingredients. To prepare for tomato sauce, chop onion and garlic. In a large skillet, add 2 tablespoons olive oil. Add onion to hot oil. When onion turns soft and translucent, add chopped garlic. Stir well to combine onion and garlic. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and mix well. Add a mid-sized can of cherry tomato sauce. Crush cherry tomatoes with a potato masher. Stir well until the mixture is well combined. Then put it aside. Let's start preparing chicken drumsticks for roasting. Add 3 tablespoons saffron water. Check how to make saffron water in description. Stir thoroughly to ensure all the chicken drumsticks are evenly coated with saffron water. Add salt and pepper to taste. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half of teaspoon coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon smoked paprika powder. Mix well. Add a splash of fresh lemon juice. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Give it a good stir to make sure everything is well mixed. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and place it in refrigerator for 30 minutes. To make rice, which called polo in Persian. Mix 3 cups of pre-washed rice with 3 cups of water. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 1 tablespoon salt. Mix well and bring the mixture to boil. After water has completely evaporated, place the lid on the pot and turn the heat down to low. To prepare the chicken drumsticks for roasting, bring the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the chicken drumsticks on a lined baking sheet, or for even roasting, use a drumstick roasting rack. Put the chickens in the oven. To prepare for zeresh mixture, add 1 tablespoon olive oil and 1 tablespoon unsalted butter. Add zeresh to pan. Add 2 teaspoons of brown sugar to balance the tartness of the zeresh. Stir gently for 2 minutes until the sugar fully dissolves. Keep the heat on the lowest setting to prevent the sugar from burning. Add 2 tablespoons of slivered almonds. Stir well. Take chickens out of the oven. Add the chickens on the tomato sauce and make sure each piece is well covered. Transfer the rice to a large serving platter. Arrange the chicken pieces around it and spoon the zeresh over the top. Your zeresh polo with chicken is ready to serve. NOSHEH JAAN means enjoy.